I just read 7 entire books in less than 3 hours using Google's Notebook LM. When I tell you I was entertained, I was in shock, I was flabbergasted, I was educated. Because I really thought that it would just summarize and give a really vague summary, but no, I was so wrong. The hosts were pretty much going back and forth off of each other. It would usually be like one host is kind of teaching the other host what they've learned from the book, which for some reason just makes it so much better and easier to remember and digest what they're talking about and the ideas in the book. And I added to that by taking notes in Obsidian so that I'm doing like active recall and I'm not just listening to forget 5 seconds later. So here's how I did it. It's really simple. It's literally 2 steps. I get a PDF version of the book that I want to read, because as you can see, I made this list first, deciding that I want to read these books, and then I search up one of the books, get a PDF version of the book, and then I put that PDF into Notebook LM, and then I literally just hit generate podcast, and I wait a while. Since I wanted to read multiple books while I was waiting for one to generate a podcast, I would be starting the other one. And when the podcast is ready, I just literally listen in my headphones, and I was so wowed. This is literally game changing. Like, I've actually learned a lot from these books that I've read. I haven't just listened to some vague summary to forget it. They went deep, they went in depth, they told stories, they told jokes that make everything memorable to me. And so if you asked me about any one of these books right now, I could pretty much tell you the main idea of the books, key points in the books, and everything that the book touches on. With that, I would totally recommend that anybody watches this should read The Richest Man in Babylon. It's a really helpful book. But you can also just go ahead and try this out with any book that you want, because wow.